Greetings everyone, and welcome to our demo of the Resilient Machine Learning Ensemble RMLE for the Industrial Control System ICS environment. Today, we'll be showcasing our environment that leverages data air gap transformation and resilient machine learning to detect and mitigate attacks on our machine learning models. Here is our UI. In the top left, we have a diagram representing the industrial control system from which our dataset is sourced. Below that, you can see 4 predefined attack scenarios. We can easily select any one of these scenarios, and it'll send a pre-made attack towards the machine learning models. In addition to these, we can also manually configure and launch custom attacks against any of the 5 machine learning models. Here, we can choose which input to send to each model. The input choices are clean input or one of the following attacks: adversarial, random noise injection RNI, projected gradient descent PhD, basic iterative method BM, Carlini and Wagner CNW, or elastic net attacks to deep neural networks EAD. Once we finish our selection, we click the Submit button to send the selected inputs to the models. On the right-hand side of the screen, we display the status of each model. A green indicator indicates that no threat has been detected, while a red one signifies that an attack has been identified. To the far right, we will find a result from our voting mechanism, which combines the outputs of all models to produce a final, resilient ensemble decision. Currently, our models are running in the background, and the UI is updated dynamically. As you may have noticed, Machine 3 briefly turned red, but due to the RMLE, this didn't impact the overall output of the ensemble. If we select one of the attack scenarios, let's choose Scenario 1. We will then see a pop-up saying that the dataset was updated successfully. After that, if we give it some time, we should see that the attacked machines have detected a threat. The models themselves take a couple of seconds to detect the attack and send the update to the UI, so if we give it a second, they will update. As we can see, the models have now been updated, and machines 1 and 2 successfully detected the attack. Even though they were attacked, we can see that the RMLE has still determined that it was safe due to the voting mechanism. If we take a look down here, we can see that the attack was a PGD attack on models 1 and 2, while models 3, 4, and 5 are still clean. Now, if we select Scenario 2, we will update the models and observe that the entire ensemble will detect the attack. And now, Machine 3 has been attacked, so the whole ensemble has detected a threat to the system. If we go down, we can see what attacks were sent to what machine. That concludes our demo of the RMLE for ICS environment. We have demonstrated how our system utilizes a resilient machine learning ensemble to detect and mitigate attacks in real time. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd be happy to dive deeper into any part of the system.